don't know about you guys, but I love a pork shoulder, and guess what I'm getting ready to make. Let's see, I roasted this for 6.5 hours. Had to leave and come back, so it was about a half hour too long. It's 185 degrees, what you want the inside to be. But I'm getting ready to make some barbecue for it. And no, I don't mean just barbecue sauce on it. I'm talking about Eastern style barbecue. If you've never had Eastern style barbecue, hold up. And I'm getting ready to make some barbecue sauce for this. I'm not talking about the barbecue sauce that you just buy at the store to craft stuff or whatever you like the best and pour over top of it. No, I'm talking about Eastern style barbecue. Eastern North Carolina style barbecue. Let's get that right. Because if you've never had Eastern North Carolina style barbecue with the vinegar, you're missing out. Guys, stay tuned. Alright, so what I've got here, I've got 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. I like just the plain apple cider vinegar, not the white vinegar added in. I like to add black pepper. They say 1 tablespoon. I'm guessing. Boy, it looks close. I like to add a little paprika. Not a whole lot of it, but also they usually like to add some Texas Pete, but I have got the hot Portugal sauce from Willet Grove, so we're going to add it in to this, because I'm going to tell you what, if you haven't tried that hot Portugal sauce from Willet Grove, I'm probably talking like that, but if you haven't tried that, guys, try it. It's good. It's really good. We're going to add some salt. And I got a little bit of Louisiana Cajun Grill Mate spice. I'm just adding it in here. That's going to give it just a little bit of kick. Nothing major. And then my favorite, brown sugar. I like a sweet. I like a sweet sauce. You can have the best of both worlds. That's not a lot. It looks like a lot went in there, but it's not. Not a lot for me anyway. And then what I'm going to do, switch hands. And I'm just going to stir this up a little bit. Guys, if you've never tried this over pulled pork, really you don't know what you're missing. And that's my version. Let me taste it. Oh, that's my version of a Eastern North Carolina barbecue sauce. If you've never tried it and you think this is a weird way, guys, if you try it, you may not go back to the other kind of barbecue. Like I said, guys, give this a try. I'm going to pull this pork here in just a few minutes. I'm letting it rest and letting it cool down. So as soon as that cools down a little bit more and rest, we're going to go ahead and slap it on. You can leave this overnight or you can go ahead and use it. It doesn't matter, really. To me, the vinegar infuses everything pretty quick anyway. So we'll be back here in just a few. Alright, I've tried to pull as much as I can off. It's more like chunk pull, but it'll work. So then I'm just going to come in here and add the good stuff. I'm gonna let this soak in here for a little while. But my mouth is watering, y'all. I don't know if I can stand it. Alright, I'm going for it. Fingers in it? No, it's got vinegar in it. Won't hurt nothing, right? Oh, yeah. Those of you who don't like that, something wrong with you. Well, I didn't want everybody to feel left out. So I made some with regular barbecue sauce also, so I'm gonna try it too. That's good too. Guys, that's how you make Eastern North Carolina style barbecue sauce. Take care, guys.